Okay, I want to tell you about a plant-based ham roast. Let's take a look at it. Buy just about anywhere. And it comes with the gravy. You can buy these just about anywhere. It's a great Christmas dinner. Served with potatoes, green beans. You just cut off this netting and it's wrapped in plastic. Cut off the plastic. And you want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and put it in a Pyrex oven safe dish like you see here. And the instructions say to pour half a cup of water into the pan with the roast. I actually ended up pouring almost a cup of water in with the roast. Then you cover it with aluminum foil and bake it for 2 hours and 15 minutes if it's completely frozen, or 1 hour and 15 minutes if it's already thawed. I thawed this in the refrigerator for 24 hours before I cooked it in the oven. And you want to see an internal temperature of 165 degrees. So that's what it looks like. Let's pour some water. And again, half a cup just didn't quite seem enough, so I poured another half cup. And just cover it in aluminum foil, stick it in the oven, and we'll check on it in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. You can see we're well over 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll go ahead and pour the glaze onto the roast. And we'll bake it in the oven for another 10-15 minutes, uncovered, and then slice it and serve it. Great meal. I hope this helps you.